Who has created death and life, that he may test you which of you is best indeed. And he is the Almighty, the all-forgiving. Al-Mulk 67-2. In this Surah Al-Mulk, God says that He has created death and life also in order to check and test that which one is the best indeed from all among people. And He, Allah Almighty, is the Creator, the all-forgiving. He can forgive. He is the Almighty God.